write me a Facebook post to promote my cleaning company. You have never used ChatGPT before and you want to know how to get started? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your account and how to actually use ChatGPT. First step is to open up your browser and type in chat.openai.com. Then you will be faced with this ChatGPT homepage, and from here you will need to create an account to enter ChatGPT interface. So let's click sign up. You can use Google, Microsoft or Apple account to sign up, or you can just use your own email. We are going to do that. So let's enter our email and click continue. Now we have to choose a password. It has to be 12 characters long. Now let's click continue. After we have signed up, we have to verify our account. So let's go to our email inbox and look for an email from OpenAI. Click on it. Now click verify email address. Now it will ask for our name and our birthday. Now let's click continue. And you also have to verify your number, but I have already done it, so I can go back to chat.openai.com and log in. After you have signed up and verified your phone number, you will be faced with this interface. This is ChatGPT, and now you can start using it. What makes ChatGPT so revolutionary is that you can chat with super intelligent computer like you would chat to your friend in Facebook Messenger. You can chat in whatever the language you choose, and you can ask it questions such as how to start a Facebook marketing campaign. And it will answer your questions in seconds. If you want to start a new chat on a new topic, you can always start a new chat. So to do that, click on new chat, and you can also give it prompts such as write me a Facebook post to promote my cleaning company. And it will do as you say in seconds. But let's say you want to make this post shorter. Then type in make this post shorter. Or let's say you want to change the tone of the text to be more funnier and casual. Then type in change the tone of the text to be more funnier and casual. Here you have it. All your previous chats will be saved here on the left, and you can always come back to those conversations and continue. Keep in mind that this is ChatGPT 3.5, which is the free version of ChatGPT. But there is also a paid version called ChatGPT Plus, which is the much more powerful version of ChatGPT. It will give you much more accurate answers and also give you the ability to use plugins, and you can also access the newest features of ChatGPT, such as image generation, speech recognition, and much more. It costs $20 a month plus taxes, and I'm also going to show you how you can subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. So to do that, click on upgrade, and from here click upgrade to Plus. And now just fill in the payment information and you can start using it right away. I already have ChatGPT Plus, so I'm not going to buy a new one, but I'm going to make a video about how to use ChatGPT, how to use its plugins, how to use speech recognition, how to use image generation, and how to use ChatGPT on your phone. That's it. I hope this video helps you out. Make sure to subscribe for more ChatGPT videos, and I will see you soon.